This is why you should consider adding dancing to your fitness routine even when you think you are not a good dancer. Hi Fit Fam, I have always loved watching people dance, especially dancing to Afrobeats, even when I'm not a good dancer myself. And during this lockdown period, I found dancing to be a great therapy for all this stress, and I'm excited to be learning some good moves myself. Dancing has lots of benefits which I want to share with you in this video. But before that, please be sure to give this video a big thumbs up by clicking the like button on your left below the video so that it can reach more people. And if you're new, please be sure to subscribe and click on the bell button so that you receive notifications every time I upload a new video. The best thing about dancing is that it is suitable for all age groups, shapes and sizes, and the physical and mental benefits of dancing include: Number 1, dancing will improve your coordination, agility, and flexibility. Number 2, it strengthens your heart and lungs and keeps them functioning properly. Number 3, boosts proper functioning of your brain, as it is a good challenge to your brain. This helps in the overall boost of your mental health. Number 4, it increases motoric fitness, muscle strength, tone, and endurance. The beauty about dancing is that you are able to exercise several muscle groups together. Number 5, strengthens the bones and reduces risk of osteoporosis. Number 6, dancing improves joint mobility and health, thereby reducing risk of joint degeneration. Number 7, it will help relieve stress and beat depression. Number 8, it promotes loss of unwanted body fat and will keep your body fit. Dancing is one of the best aerobic exercises. Number 9, it improves balance and spatial awareness. And lastly, dancing will improve your self-esteem, self-confidence, and general physical confidence. It will also help you improve social skills as well as make more friends. There are many forms of dancing, including Afrobeats, reggae, belly dancing, hip hop, salsa, ballet, ballroom dancing, jazz, pole dancing, square dancing, and tap dancing. So lots of varieties for you to choose from. Whichever your taste is, go grab your dancing shoes and start today. And well, that is just about it for today. Please do share this video with your friends and family so that it can reach more people who may need it. Don't forget to connect up with me on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and Pinterest. Don't forget to check out my other videos as well. See you in the next video, and don't forget to love yourself first and keep fit for health. Bye for now.